creative passion into a lucrative income stream. Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or any other type of creator, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step in making money with your digital creations is to find your niche. Identify what you're passionate about and what you excel at. This will help you stand out in a crowded digital world. Step 2. Create quality content. Once you've found your niche, focus on creating high-quality content. Whether it's artwork, music, eBooks, or videos, make sure it's top-notch. Quality attracts an audience and sets you up for success. Step 3. Build an online presence. Next up, build a strong online presence. Start with a website or blog and create profiles on social media platforms. Engage with your audience regularly to build a loyal following. Step 4. Monetize your content. It's time to turn your creativity into cash. You can monetize your content through various channels, such as selling digital products, offering online courses, or joining platforms like Patreon and YouTube for ad revenue. Step 5. Protect your work. Protect your digital creations by copywriting your work and using watermarking if necessary. This ensures that you receive proper credit and compensation for your efforts. Step 6. Network and collaborate. Networking is crucial in the digital world. Collaborate with other creators, attend online events, and engage in forums or groups related to your niche. Building relationships can open up new opportunities. Step 7. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on a single income source. Diversify by exploring different revenue streams like affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, or offering freelance services related to your niche. Step 8. Track your finances. As your income grows, it's essential to track your finances diligently. Use accounting software or hire a professional to manage your earnings and expenses. Step 9. Keep learning and evolving. The digital landscape is ever changing. Keep learning, adapting, and upgrading your skills to stay relevant and competitive in your niche. Step 10. Stay consistent and patient. Finally, remember that success takes time. Stay consistent with your content creation and marketing efforts, and be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your digital empire won't be either. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, the 10 essential steps to turn your digital creations into a profitable venture. It's not always easy, but with dedication, passion, and perseverance, you can.